Hello, good morning everyone, students of grade 7. Welcome to you again with the vocab lesson. We have already taken vocab lesson 10 or unit 10, yes. We have taken them in two parts. Part 1 with 10 vocabulary, the first 10 words, definitions, and the next part of the other 10 word definitions, together 20. Supposing you have studied them and memorized them or learned them by heart. Now this exercise or work on the net, all right, on this site, Layer Connect. Well, I'll show you how to work on it using different exercise, online exercise, to help you understand, revise, study, and remember. After this part, after you study and revise your work, you will take exercise. This exercise you will have it as homework, but not normal homework. It will be a quiz. You send me the exercise answers. This will be your mark in the quiz, vocab quiz. All right. So take care. This is the start. You will revise and work, and then you will have a quiz. This quiz you will send it on the LMS. All right. You can send only the answer. I'll show you anyway on time. Let's start now. Take care of this link, all right? So it is Layer Connect. This is the link. You can take it as it is and start with it, or I'll send it on the LMS anyway. All right. This is the link. To see how it starts, you choose, as I showed you before. I showed you this another time. Choose the book level A. This is your level, grade 7, level A. All right. And then take care, you have to choose the unit. This is unit 1, to start with unit 1. You have to go downward to find unit what? Unit 10, yes, unit 10. That's unit 10. Click. Yes, this is unit 10. There are many exercises and even some quiz. If you are clever enough or you are interested, you can work on this quiz, by the way. And here you can print it. All right, anyway. But our main core work or main work here, some games to help you remember the vocab meaning and how to use them in sentences. This is the practical way. I myself choose, or I can select for the best ones 3 games: flashcards, hangman, test your vocabulary. These are enough. If you want to work on others, all right, it's your work. Now let's start with, for example, flashcards. All right, click. Yes, that's it. It is like the flashcards I used to tell you to do at home when we were in the school. This is the flashcard. This is the word duel. All right, duel. You can test yourself and tell what is the meaning of this word. After you decide, all right, you press the card itself like this. No, doesn't work. It seems some problem with the net. All right, click. All right, if it doesn't click, flip card. All right, flip card. So you find the word, you test yourself and flip the card, turn it over the other side. So what meaning of duel? Money, food, or other necessities given as charity, or a small portion. It can be the verb, to duel someone, to give him such a thing, money or so. All right, then you come to the next card. Next card, this one. All right, engulf. You test yourself, what the meaning of engulf, and then this is the meaning, to swallow up, overwhelm, or consume. Next card. Bumbling. Test yourself what's mumbling, and then see the answer, blundering and awkward. All right, and so on. This is the way you work on the 20. This is 24 exercise on the flashcards. You can work on this. This is one thing. Another, let's see another game. Test your vocabulary, but this is work on seconds. You have only seconds to answer. All right, it is timed. See this? It is timed. You have to be very quick at this. A meal or food. Oh, sorry. I told you before we have to define which unit. This is unit 1. All right, we have to take care of this. You have to choose which unit. With every game, with every exercise, you have to choose the unit. Unit 10. All right, this is unit 10. And then test your vocabulary. That's it. Number 1, and this is the seconds. It is by seconds, quickly. To pull, this is the definition. To pull loose by force or to be nosy about something. Yes, it's pry and submit. Yes, we have caught the last second. All right, it's correct. Quickly, coming after, following in time, place, or order. Coming after, which one? Yes, subsequent. All right, subsequent. Correct. Let's try to answer something wrong to see what will happen. To mislead utterly. Let's answer wrong. Which one? Mislead. Say initiative. Wrong. All right. The same word, the same exercise will come again in the end anyway to help you remember. It will ask you again, and so on. Clumsiness. Which one? Mumbling. Yes. All right. And so on. You continue this way with the 20 words. This helps you a lot. All right. Another exercise to show you the way. The same way around, you have to choose the unit again. Unit 10. All right, unit 10. And then which exercise? Hangman. Yes, hangman. This is related. This relates to spelling as well. It tests your spelling. It helps you a lot with the spelling as well. As you can see now. Hangman. No time. Don't care about time. Take your time with the exercise. It gives you the definition under the picture. This is the definition. Arousing hatred, disgusting, detestable. And this is the number of the letters required of this word. 1, 2, 3, 8 or 10. You can count it and you will see. Arousing hatred, disgusting or detestable. Like it is hateful. All right? Or not good. And so which word? Yes, abominable. All right, so to start with what? Yes, correct. Where is the B? It is this is alphabetical order. All right, so this is B, abdo, D. See what happened? A, B, abdominable. This is another A, B at the end. So it is helping you. Abominable. Not D. No, wrong. So when you are answering wrong, all right, it's melting like this. You are killing the man. So what is the word? Abominable. Oh, this is Q. I need O. Where is the M? KLM. Nabble. Where is the N? Yes. Nabble. L. Yes. E. So abominable, abominable. This is the word, all right? Good job. Another word, how to give it works by itself. You'll find the other item of exercise coming by itself. This is the definition: to give out in small amounts. To give out in small amounts. This is 4 letters. Yes, it is dual. Dual. So what? The first letter, D, correct. Dual. O, what is the O? Yes, O, L. This is the L. Only one letter, dual. So what's left? E. Yes, good job. Let's try to or pretend we are answering wrong one. Let's answer this wrong. All of persons, offspring, descendants, all future generations. Okay, we know the word, but let's tell another word, all right? Let's say, for example, abominable again. See what will happen. It's strong, so some part of food is taken away. The man will die of hunger if you take all his food and drink. So what's left for him? You are killing him. Anyway, another one, abominable, and so on. Wrong, and so on. All right, this is the way. But let's see the right answer. Suppose you remember the answer. All a person, offspring. Yes, this is posterity. Yes, posterity. P. What is the P? Correct. O, pos. Move with the spelling, with the sound. Posterity. Yes, correct. E. See, there's another T at the end. You press the T, so it gives you the T in place. Posterity. Now it is helping you. Posterity. R. Posterity. I. Only one letter left in the end. Yes, it's Y. Posterity. All right, good job. This is the way. All right. This is the exercise. You can work on all of them, or 1 or 2 of them, to test your work or vocabulary, and then to come to the quiz. Now, or the vocab exercise. Let's come to this vocab exercise, and the quiz now. Is this yours? No, this is grade 8. Sorry. Yes, this is yours. This is grade 7. All right. Now this is page 776, right? We'll answer together as a practice from 1 to 5, and your quiz or your homework, it will be your quiz from 6 to 15 to the end, all right? You answer this and send the answers to me. Enough to write the word on a sheet, or print this word, this page with the answers, any way you like. What's easier to you? Number 1, in devising the Constitution, the founding fathers sought to secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our liberty for ourselves and our children coming in the future. Posterity or files? Yes, posterity. The answer, number 1, posterity. Number 2, our foreign policy embraces a vast consequences, panorama of aims and objectives, problems and concerns. So our foreign policy embraces a vast what of aims and objectives. A vast panorama of aims and objectives, a vast view of problems, objectives, and aims? Yes. A vast panorama. Yes. Okay. Number 3. Here I am on my first vacation in years, and I have to put up with this weather day after day. You have to put up with something good or bad. Yes, bad. You have to be tolerant or patient with something hard. Which of these can be describing the weather? Yes, abominable. Abominable weather. Okay. Number 4, the things in the attic. All the things in the attic may seem like a lot of junk to you, but to me they are priceless, mementos or non-conveniences of childhood. Yes, these are for you junk, but for me they are priceless, very precious of childhood. This is the clue word, childhood. Yes, mementos, like memories, reminders of a childhood. Number 5, Sasha was pleasantly surprised with all the perks, such as free tickets, the producers doled or foiled out to the actors. These are advantages, extra items, free tickets, and so. These we consider them what? The producer doled or foiled to actors. Yes, they doled, they give, all right, like generous, they give small amounts. So we answered from number 1 to 5. Now your job, your quiz, will be from 6 to 15, 10 items. It will be due after, take 2 days, all right? Suppose today is Sunday, so it will be Tuesday, all right? Tuesday, this is the due time for your quiz to be sent to me, all right? Thank you. See you next time. Goodbye.